Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December the 14th, 2019, and I want to show you some of what's blooming in the greenhouse and some of my house plants that I have growing in here. So this one here is a dancing dolphin vine, and this is just getting ready to bloom. It was blooming earlier. This is a spent blossom, so I just take that off. But this one here is getting ready to open, and these do look like dolphins. Like jumping out of the water when they open. So that's how it got its name, Dancing Dolphin Vine. And I did do a video on these on my channel previously for how to propagate this plant. And this plant here is my original Christmas cactus plant. And you can see this thing is just loaded with blooms here. I am going to be uploading a video for on the original on the original Christmas cactus. I did do another video previously for the original Christmas cactus, but I'm doing another one, a little bit more information about it and showing more of the blooms of what it looks like. And this thing is just loving it here out in the greenhouse. And I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and my greenhouse is heated. And you can see my fuchsia here is blooming out in the greenhouse. And I do have the fans running out here to dry off my foliage. And it's pouring down, raining outside. You can probably hear it on the video. So trying to talk a little louder so you can hear me. See my fuchsia blossoms there. Oops. That one there's spent. So I'm taking this one here off. There it is. And up here is one of my little pansies, and this one here is blooming. My best friend calls pansies happy faces, because they look like they have like a smiling face to them, and they're just happy. And this is the Swiss Giants mixed pansies here. And this is an heirloom pansy. And I do have videos on my channel for how to start pansies from seed. And I did a playlist on growing pansies from seed to seed harvesting and all that stuff. There's a lot of really useful information in that video playlist there, so you can check that out on my channel. And if you want to grow pansies, December, January is a great time to start them from seed, so that you have them blooming for when you take them out in the springtime, after you've hardened them off. You can see down here I have some more fuchsias. This one here right now is not blooming. I have some spider plants there that are getting little spider-ettes on the end of them, and I did do a video for how to propagate your spider plants. You can check that out on my channel. And I have a zonal geranium there that's going to bloom soon. I can see that it's getting the blossoms right there starting to come. It's forming the blossom head right there. And my poinsettias in the back. I have a wax begonia back there. You can see some of my spider plants here, and some other house plants. This in here is the one that I did the video on for how to propagate your spider plants, and you can see here it is growing. It did root in nicely for me, so I can actually cut this one here off from the mother plant then. And here's another variegated spider plant that's sending out its little spider plant babies. And I have some more house plants back here. I have a purple heart plant in there somewhere. I can't get to it from where I'm at right now. You can see my eucalyptus trees here are growing. And here's some more eucalyptus trees here. Now this is the silver drop eucalyptus tree. You see how tall this thing got. And if you've been watching the videos of my greenhouse tours, you can see how much this eucalyptus tree grew. And this was planted this year. And here's another eucalyptus tree back here growing. And these here are my lemon gum eucalyptus tree seedlings here. You see this one here is just starting to get its true leaves. The leaves kind of look frilly in a way. So I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like when the true leaves completely open. And my tropical hibiscus bush is overwintering over here. Now this one here is not blooming yet. It was blooming earlier, but it's kind of stopped right now. And I did do videos on my channel for how to overwinter your tropical hibiscus bushes. Now technically this is not a house plant, but my tomatoes are blooming, and I am still harvesting tomatoes off of my tomato plants that are growing in the greenhouse here. And this one here technically is not a houseplant either. This is one of my moringa tree seedlings, but I'm growing it in the greenhouse, and because it is a tropical plant that will not be able to tolerate frost, it is going to continue to be growing in my greenhouse. So I wanted to show you here what the seedling leaves look like, because they finally started opening more for me. And I just wanted to show these to you real quick. I do have videos on my channel for how to start these from seed. And I have some cucumbers growing back there. And this here is one of my roselle red hibiscus plants. These here, you can make like teas and jams and stuff out of them. So that's going to be one that's going to continue to grow in the greenhouse as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this mini tour of what I have growing and blooming right now in the greenhouse. Now there are a lot more plants in here, I just didn't show them all. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!